The next question is match list 1 with list 2. The first disease at list 1 there has been disease name, so this is the disease and this is the pathogen or the carrier pathogen that causes the disease. So the disease name is malaria, poliomyelitis, tuberculosis, ringworm. So as we know that malaria is caused by a protozoa. Malaria is caused by a protozoa. Poliomyelitis is a viral disease. Tuberculosis is a bacterial disease. Ringworm is a fungal disease. So these are the things that we have to know, and based on this our answer will be 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. The option A will be the correct answer. So the A will be the correct answer. Some additional information about this question is that malaria is caused by a protozoa, also called parasite called and the carrier of this parasite are Aedes aegypti, mosquitoes. So Aedes aegypti mosquitoes are the carrier of this parasite, and this parasite includes, there are different strains of this parasite. Two of the strains that are very common and that cause malaria are Plasmodium falciparum and Plasmodium vivax. So falciparum and vivax are the two strains of this virus, this parasite that cause malaria disease. In the same way, there is a poliomyelitis. Poliomyelitis is caused by a poliovirus. There are different strains of poliovirus. And then there is a tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is caused by a bacteria. The name of this bacteria is Streptococcus staphylococcus. So this is the name of this bacteria that causes tuberculosis. This bacteria is round red shaped bacteria. So this bacteria is the bacteria that causes tuberculosis is irregular or rod shaped bacteria. Irregular rod shape. So these are some of the information about some of these diseases. Now let's come to the next question. The next question is, among the following, which were frequently in news for the outbreak of Ebola? So which of these countries were in news due to Ebola outbreak? Ebola was a hemorrhagic fever. Hemorrhagic fever. It was caused by a virus called Ebola, a parasite called Ebola, and the countries Guinea, Sierra Leone and Liberia were in news due to this virus, and there has been 2-time outbreak of this virus in these countries. So this is the correct answer. Correct answer is Guinea, Sierra Leone and Liberia. Now let's come to the next question. The next question is, which among the following are correctly matched? So first option is vitamin C, scurvy. Second is vitamin E, night blindness. Third is vitamin D, rickets. And the options are A and B only. Second option is C only. Third option is A, B and C, and fourth option is none. So the answer to this question will be 3, that is all are correctly matched, because vitamin C, due to the lack of vitamin C, there is a disease called deficiency disease called scurvy. There is a vitamin E, and due to lack of vitamin E, there is a deficiency disease called night blindness. And there is a vitamin D, and due to the deficiency of vitamin D, there is a deficiency disease caused, that is called rickets. So this is the, so all three are the correctly matched. Now let's come to the next question. The next question is, which of the following diseases can be transmitted from one person to another person through tattooing? The options are chikungunya, then hepatitis B, then HIV/AIDS, and the codes are 1 only, code B is 2 and 3, code C is 1 and 3, and code D is 1, 2, 3. The correct answer to this question will be 2 and 3. That is option B will be the correct answer, because only HIV/AIDS and hepatitis B can be transmitted from one person to another through tattooing. Chikungunya is a vector-borne disease. And the carrier of disease is a mosquito. So this is not a disease that can be transmitted through tattooing. It is a disease that is vector-borne, and it is caused by mosquito bites. So this is the correct answer to this question will be 2 and 3. We will talk about in detail about different types of diseases in the next question. So now let's talk about the next question. The next question is, with respect to human immunodeficiency virus, that is HIV transmission, which of the following is or are not correct? So it is asking not correct. Option A is, the chances of transmission from the female to male are twice as from male to female. It means the chances of transmission from female to male are twice than from the male to female. Option B is, the second option is, the chances of transmission are more if a person suffers from other sexually transmitted infections. Option C is, an infected mother can transmit the infection to her baby during pregnancy, at childbirth, and by breastfeeding. And option D is, the risk of contracting infection from the transfusion of infected blood is more than an exposure to a contaminated needle. The answer, it is asking not correct, so the answer will be option A. A is not correct. All the other are correct. So A will be the correct answer, because the chances of transmission from male to female or female to male are nearly equal. There is no evidence that suggests that the chances of transmission of HIV from female to male is greater than the chances of transmission of HIV from male to female. So this is the correct answer. Correct answer will be option A. Now let's come to the next question is, consider the following statement. First statement is, hepatitis B is several times more infectious than HIV/AIDS. Option B is, hepatitis B can cause liver cancer. And it is asking which of the above statement is or are correct. So both of the above options are correct, because hepatitis B is more infectious. It is correct that hepatitis B is more infectious than HIV/AIDS, and it is also correct that hepatitis B can cause liver cancer. So both the statements are correct. So the answer will be both. That is A and B both, 1 and 2 both are correct. Now let's come to the next question. The next question is, which of the statements given below is or are correct? First it is saying, meningococcal meningitis, that is meningococcal meningitis. It is a disease. It is transmitted from person to person by mosquito bites. Second option is, vomiting and neck pain are the two symptoms of meningococcal meningitis. And the codes are 1 only 1 is correct, only 2 is correct, both are correct, 1 is correct. The answer to this question will be both, that is both are correct. It is correct that meningococcal meningitis is transmitted from person to person by mosquito bites, and vomiting and neck pain are the two major symptoms of the disease, that is meningococcal meningitis. So the answer will be C, that is both are correct. Now let's come to the next question. The next question is, consider the following statement. Dengue is a protozoan, that is parasitic disease transmitted by mosquitoes. And second statement is retroorbital pain is not the symptom of dengue. And third statement is skin rash, bleeding from nose and gums is a symptom of dengue. So these are the three statements, and it is asking which of the following statement is or are correct. The options are 1 and 2 only, 3 only, 2 only, and 1 and 3 only. So now let's talk about dengue is a protozoan disease transmitted by mosquitoes. The first option is correct. The first option is not correct, because though dengue is a viral disease, it is not viral disease, it is not a parasitic disease. So dengue is a viral disease, though it is transmitted by mosquito bites, but it is a viral disease, not a parasitic disease. So first option statement is not correct, it is incorrect. Second statement is that retroorbital pain is not the symptom of dengue. It is correct. Yes, retroorbital pain is not a symptom of dengue. So second statement is correct. Third statement is again not correct, that skin rash and bleeding from nose and gums is a symptom of dengue. This is not correct. So the answer to this question will be option C, that is 2 only. So 2 only is correct. So option 2 only is correct. So this will be the correct answer. Now let's come to the next question. The next question is, which of the following sets is correctly matched? So we have to spot which one is correctly matched. First option is AIDS, syphilis, and gonorrhea. These are the diseases, and it is saying that these diseases are caused by the bacteria. Second option is color blindness, hemophilia. Also we talked about that. It's also known as royal hemophilia. So hemophilia and sickle cell anemia, and it is saying that all these diseases are sex linked. Next option C is poliomyelitis, Japanese bee encephalitis, and plague, and it is saying that these are viral diseases. And next option D is diphtheria, pneumonia, and leprosy, and it is saying that these are hereditary. So the correct answer to this question will be option B only. B is the correct answer, because color blindness, hemophilia, and sickle cell anemia, all these are sex linked, because these are genetic diseases, but these are sex linked as these are transmitted from the parental generation to the daughter generation. So these are sex linked, and this is the correct answer. While AIDS, syphilis, and gonorrhea, these are not bacterial but viral disease. While polio is a viral disease, Japanese bee encephalitis is a viral disease, plague is not a viral disease. And in the same way, diphtheria, pneumonia, and leprosy, all these are not hereditary but bacterial disease. These are bacterial disease. So this is the correct answer. The correct answer will be option B, that is color blindness, hemophilia, and sickle cell anemia are sex linked. We will talk about all the types of diseases and classification of diseases. And who are the carriers of the diseases, what are the causes of diseases, whether the causes of all these diseases, and all these things we will talk about in a moment. But first let me complete the question. So the answer to this question will be color blindness, Hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, sex linked.